Hello, this is David, and this is my mock broadcast. Um, while editing it, I've decided to uh, pick Overwatch as my game because, to be completely honest, it's the one game that I have that is actually a more competitive game. Besides, Dead by Daylight, but I already did my last project in this one, so let's try to vary things, differentiates the assignments a little better. So, I am not an Overwatch professional. I literally only have been playing with one character, and you might notice it from the footage that I have recorded over here. Um, but I felt like, according to just the game's aesthetics, um, a nice color pattern that I could use was something along the lines of yellow, white, blue, black on this case over here, because I just wanted to have a nice darker starting screen, just something more comfortable. As mentioned it here on the description, I got all my audio from Freesound and Zapsplat, and all of the interface sections I actually just edited them from Canva templates. Uh, Everything over here, it's all edited. It was something like game start, this text over here, and this was just something else. Um, I kept the patterns, but I've changed all the texts in all of the I forgot the name. The uh oh well, the layouts. I've changed all the text on all of them, and I've made actually three. So there was this sort of starting now intermission sort of screen. There was this one for just past highlights of supposedly past streams or other competitions in the tournament, and for to embed YouTube links. This section. Um, I named my imaginary team Broken Joystick for this slide over here, just because, yeah, Broken Joystick Gaming Incorporated, just because I felt like it would be a fun team name, and the way that me and my friends play, we might as well just have Broken Joysticks. Uh, so yes, I had this screen over here, and then there's this little intermission thing going on, just because I've noticed that in streams, oftentimes whenever they're switching from one screen to the next, they will switch to a different menu, sort of like this. And there's the organizer's social media placeholder, as well as just so I don't have just my broken joystick team. So you have Team A, Team B, and the total score in case it's um, a match that goes over multiple different games, if that makes sense. For example, it could be a best out of three, and then you can see that Team A has scored this and Team B has scored that. And over here, I put a space for Team A social, Team B socials, and the tournament organizers social. Um, so just current match, and then you would be able to see what's going on in this current match over here. Leaked all of our usernames. As far as the sound design goes, I picked just a little upbeat song for the beginning, and it goes on up until we do this little transition over here, in which I just picked some static sounds and then a start game sound indicator over here. And we're about to get to it, so oh well. And I put some stadium background ambience. Somebody had recorded, I think it was a football game, a soccer game, sorry. Um, and yes, I'm pretty sure this is from a soccer game stadium, and I just wanted to have some sort of imaginary audience for whenever the tournament starts and the commentators just start to, well, comment on what's going on. And oh well, you can tell that it's really just the beginning screen of the level over here. But yeah, that's about it. I feel like um, this is a start for a broadcast match thing. I feel like the colors they do go along fairly well with the color palette of the game overall. Sort of more cartoony, uh, not very cartoony, but just a lighthearted layout. And well, I apologize if my cropping isn't perfect over here. I'm still learning how to use all the functions in DaVinci Resolve. This is, after all, maybe my third video edited on it, maybe something along those lines. So, oh well, um, it's a learning process, but we'll get there. And please don't mind my terrible gameplay. It's really just for entertainment purposes over here. Oh well. So yes, that was it for my mock broadcast. I hope you find it satisfactory, and I'll see you in the next assignment. Bye bye.